In under a minute, I'll show you the exact word steps and the update trick. We'll add a cross-reference, choose what it points to, then refresh every reference after edits. First, place your cursor where the reference should appear. Open the References tab, then click Cross-Reference in the Captions group. You can also follow References, Captions, Cross-Reference from the ribbon. Now pick the item type, then insert the link. Choose Figure, Table, or Heading, select the target, and click Insert. If needed, select the document first with Ctrl+A before updating fields. Here's the time saver. Press Ctrl+A, then F9 to update every cross-reference at once. If you're already writing a paper, GenText helps with citations and bibliography inside Word. GenText is for citations, bibliography, and academic writing inside Word.